All right, rise and shine. It's Tuesday morning, and for those who don't know, I was nominated the world's best dad over the weekend, as I'm sure many of you other fathers out there were. Hope you enjoyed your Father's Day over the weekend. Here's what you need to know this Tuesday morning to get your trading day started. So wild ride in the market last night. Had a strong day on Wall Street yesterday. In the overnight session, trade advisor Peter Navarro, in an interview on Fox last night, said that, or at least implied, that the trade deal with China was over. Markets started selling off. Dow Jones at one point in time was down over 400 points in the futures. Navarro and President Trump later came out and said, listen, what I've said has been taken out of context. The trade deal is very much intact, and we're going to continue to work with China to improve and ensure that the agreement is lived up to, so on and so forth. Markets start rallying, which leads us to where we are right now. Dow Jones up over 200, all major U.S. indices trading almost 1% higher heading into the open. Look at some of the other markets, the FX market. We're starting to see some strength in those risk currencies, particularly the Aussie dollar, which has been leaned on recently. We've got the Aussie dollar trading just shy of spot 70 this morning. Look at the commodity market. Oil. We talked about that $40 level in oil. Finally broke through it yesterday. We're now trading another 1.5% higher in oil this morning, which has us up above $41 a barrel in WTI. Oil continues to move, and we've seen a lot of volatility in that market over the past 2+ months. So if you're looking for action, still a lot of action in that oil market. So last night, you look at that volatility and the way the market's traded. For those of you folks on Nadex, that, again, we talk about it all the time. That is definitely one of the beautiful points of being an Nadex client is you get to trade those markets 23 hours a day, 5 days a week, and you can trade those moves in the futures market overnight like we saw last night. So great opportunity to get in there, trade some of this volatility. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter today. We'll keep you updated. And for all you world's best dads out there, let's get after it today. Take care.